Hello students of class 8, welcome to our English period and let us continue the chapter Revati's musical plans. We are on page number 19 and we are going to begin with the last paragraph. She felt very dejected but was determined to win her plans back. She sat near her plans with her violin and slowly started playing her favorite raga. Engrossed in her music, Revati even forgot her plans for a time, but the others could not. With wonder in their eyes, they watched the plants. Straight at first, they bent slightly. As she played on and on, their stems bent towards Revati as though they wanted to touch her in their happiness. The organizers were stunned. They had watched a new phenomenon. So far we understand that Revati had, she had now decided to reveal her secret about her balsam plants so that she was able to convince the organizers of the competition of the best plants. Fine. So she played her violin and she showed that her balsam plants had love for music and especially for their favorite tune that was for Raga Mohanam. Fine. So the organizers were stunned. What is the meaning of the word stunned? It is astonished and amazed. And also let me just draw your attention. Here it is written Revati even forget her plans. It is not forget, it is a printing mistake. It is forgot. Fine. So make it forgot. Now we turn the page. Phenomenon of plants responding to music, and Revati had become a great discoverer. They all applauded her and said they were convinced that the plants were hers. So, what is the meaning of phenomenon? An occurrence or a wonder. What is applauded? Show praise by clapping. Pulled up to tell someone they have done something wrong. Well, we will deal with this word in about this phrase in the next paragraph. So they pulled up her neighbor for cheating them and she accepted after a long argument that she had stolen Revati's plants. She said while walking past Revati's house, she had spotted the plants and had removed the pot in the night to her house and submitted it later for the contest. As she was a regular participant, no one doubted her. The authorities decided that Revati's plants deserved the first prize as they were the best looking and healthy. Revati carried home the prize proudly with a pot of plants. So this is the end of the lesson. So we understand that Revati finally owned her plants by showing the organizers that they were music lovers. Fine. Now let us try to complete the English workshop. So what is the first question? Read the story and complete the following. At first, Revati's plants did not look normal and healthy because, so if we will continue, we will find the answer. Here the answer is written because they were not kept in sunlight. Let me show, this is written by some student. So this T has to be in small letter, okay, because they were not kept in sunlight and a full stop at the end of the sentence. Fine. Now the next. When Revati played her favorite raga, the plants began to move because they were music lovers. You can write down because they were music lovers. So again this T has to be small. Revati's grief knew no bounds because her pots with the plants were missing. Full stop. Again this H of her should be small. Next, Revati was confident of proving her ownership of the pot of plants because of the secret that her plants, make it S, okay, it is plants were music lovers again. This is a ball pen. I actually do not appreciate writing with the ball pen or ink pen in the textbook, but right now I don't have a pencil. So this is the answer. Revati won the prize for the best plant because they were the best looking and healthy plants. The answer is because they were the best looking and healthy plants. Fine. Now the next question. Answer in your own words. What did Revati discover about her balsam plants? Listen to the recording very carefully so that you write down the answers correctly. I do not tolerate incorrect words or incorrect spellings or incorrect punctuations. So please listen to this recording carefully to avoid all the possible mistakes. What did Revati discover about her balsam plants? Revati discovered that her balsam plants were music lovers. This is the answer. Fine. Now, the next question. Why did she decide to keep her new knowledge a secret? So, the answer here is Revati. Now, though the word Revati is not here in the question, you will still have to understand that you have to write down the name. So, you will begin the answer this way. Revati decided to keep her new knowledge a secret because she thought that no one would believe her. Full stop. Now, the next question. How did the plants respond when Revati played her favorite tune? Here's the answer. Whenever Revati sat near the balsam plants in the courtyard and played her favorite raga Mohanam on her violin, the balsam plants would slightly bend. It is not bent, it will be bend. It will end with D. Bend towards her, showing their love for music. This is the answer. Now the next question, D. How did the plants react to the fast rhythmic music? The answer is the plants showed their dislike to the fast rhythmic music by bending in the opposite direction. Now the next, E. How did Revati prove to the organizers of the competition that the plants truly belonged to her? So the answer is Revati revealed her secret to the organizers of the competition. Full stop. She played her favorite raga Mohanam on her violin and showed how her balsam plants bent towards her to show their love for music. Full stop. This is how Revati proved to the organizers of the competition that the plants truly belonged to her. Full stop. The next question. What helped Revati to claim her plants? Her belief in magic or the belief in her convictions? Explain your choice. So, was it really a magic? No, it was the belief in her convictions. Now, what is convictions? It is a firm belief or opinion. Okay, the meaning for the word convictions means a firm belief or opinion. Okay, so she believed in herself. Okay, what was her belief? That her balsam plants were music lovers. So here's the answer that you will have to write. This is question F. Revati's belief in her convictions helped her to claim her plants. Full stop. She believed that her balsam plants were music lovers and she successfully proved it to the organizers. Full stop. So this is the answer. Now the next question. A word chain consists of words in a certain category that begin with the letter that the previous word has ended with. So you will have to find out the words from the textbook. Fine. Complete the word chain adding 4 nouns from the text. So all the words that you will write down over here, they should be all nouns and they should be from the lesson itself. So the first word is music, so it ended with C. Then the courtyard ended with D. So what can be the next word? And it has to be a noun. So it can be days. The word days is there in the lesson. It ends with S. Then the next word can be stripes. it ends with S. The next word can be surmise, ends with E, and the last word can be enjoy. Fine. Sorry, enjoy cannot be the last word, so you look for the last word that ends with E, that starts with E. Sorry. Okay. So then the next exercise question B, add the appropriate prefix to make the following words opposite in meaning. So continue will be discontinue, definite will be indefinite, place will be misplace, possible impossible, that is I am. Okay. Believe will be disbelieve, known unknown, certain uncertain, important unimportant, regular irregular. So these are the opposite words that we made by adding prefixes to the given words. You will have to do the next exercise on your own. Use the following expressions to make sentences on your own. So you will find or think of a sentence that would have this phrase in this or the given expression in the sentence. Fine. And please do not write down the sentences from the textbooks, sorry, from the lesson or from the textbook. You will have to make your own sentence. Okay, to make sentences of your own. I hope you understand what by this. Now the next question is about, imagine there is a pest plant competition in the locality or in the colony where you live, frame a notice about the same. So this question I will discuss in the next session. Fine. Moving towards the next, it is types of sentences. They have given some sentences examples to show about to talk about the types of sentences, and we have learnt about them in our previous classes also, and also in the beginning of this academic year, that there are four types of sentences, namely assertive sentence or declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and imperative sentence. So these are some of the examples. For your information, you can write down all these sentences in your notebook and then attempt this question. State the kinds of the following sentences. So you will write down the sentences and state which kind of sentence this is. For example, how happily she played the violin. So this is an exclamatory sentence. It is very easy to understand or detect. With the exclamatory mark in the sentence, it is an example of exclamatory sentence. They all bend towards her. This is an assertive sentence. Fine. So accordingly do the remaining sentences. So in this particular example question, make the following negative using the negative words given. Fine. So we will have to, this is a positive sentence and we will have to make it a negative sentence by not changing the meaning. Keeping the meaning the same, we will have to convert this affirmative sentence into a negative sentence. Fine. So there were a few potted plants in the courtyard. We will have to use not many. So there were not many plants in the courtyard. This is the answer. The meaning does not change. They looked healthier than the other plants. The other plants did not look as, the other plants were not as healthy as them. Fine. Listen to this recording carefully. The other plants were not as healthy as them. The next one. She refused to share her secret. Would not is to be used. She would not share her secret. Fine. Then the next. She went around asking everyone about her plans. She went around asking everyone, but no one told her about her plans. Fine. Now the next. Make the following affirmative using the words given. There was no breeze, and the word is hardly. Using this word, we'll have to change it into affirmative. These are all negative sentences. We are going to use the words given and we will have to make it into an affirmative sentence without changing the meaning. So there was no breeze, there was hardly any breeze. There was hardly any breeze. It means the same. Both mean the same. Their ridicule did not deter her. Their ridicule failed her. Failed to deter her. Sorry. Their ridicule failed to deter her. Her mother knew nothing about it. Denied is to be used. Her mother denied to know about it. The next. She did not give up. She refused to give up. Fine. So these were the questions, or this was the English workshop that we discussed. We will talk about this last question in the next session. So please complete your notebooks and see you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.